How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I am doing a video today on Workhorse and a new strategic agreement and strategic alliance that they formed with Hitachi or Hitachi Capital. So we're going to go over that, talk about what this means for the company, read what the CEOs were saying about this strategic agreement. And also, I am doing this for the second time. I had done this whole thing and there's some technical difficulties. I had filmed the whole video, but there's some technical difficulties. So if you don't mind hitting that like button, I really appreciate it. I tried to get this out quickly, so I did the research, but I'm trying to do this so that you can know it as soon as possible. So again, that like button means a lot. Also, if you want to get those 2 free stocks from WeBull, today is the last day. After today, they are bumping that down to 1 free stock, which is still a really nice bonus. But last day to get 2 free stocks if you deposit $100 or more. So there's a link down in the description if you want to use that to get those 2 free stocks. So thank you guys so much, and let's get into it. So Workhorse was up about 7.5% today, and I actually bought a few more shares today. So I was adding to my position a little bit, and I noticed that they're up 7.5%, and I thought that seems odd. Usually they're up and down maybe 3 to 5%, but 7.5% is kind of a big movement. So I found that Workhorse entered into a strategic alliance or strategic agreement with Hitachi and Hitachi Capital America. So we're just going to go through this article a little bit because this has a lot of information in it. It's pretty beefy, and we're going to break down hopefully what it means. So Workhorse announced an agreement between Hitachi America and Hitachi Capital America. So under these agreements, Hitachi America and other Hitachi Group companies will provide an operational assessment of Workhorse's manufacturing, operational, and supply chain capabilities, benchmark to best-in-class standards, and provide recommendations to Workhorse that will support the company's increased production requirements. Hitachi will leverage its smart manufacturing, data-driven digital solutions, and electric vehicle technologies powered by Hitachi's rapid solution delivery platform, Lumada. In addition, Hitachi Capital America will assist in developing a national dealer network that will support Workhorse's sales with vehicle financing options for both dealers and customers, including dealer floor plan programs. So this is a very beefy paragraph. This is where really all the information comes from this article. So they are working to increase their supply chain capabilities, their manufacturing. This is really big, and if you don't know about Hitachi, they are a big company. So they're about $65 billion market cap. They operate in 10 business segments ranging from IT to AI to big data to construction machinery. They are wide-ranging. They are a great asset for a Workhorse to work with, and they're trying to use them to scale, right? So Workhorse obviously is about a $1 to $2 billion market cap company, depending on when you're seeing this, but they are not at the scale where they need to be to continue that market cap. So they need to be able to sell more cars. How do you do that? You need to increase your manufacturing and supply chain capabilities, and that is what they're trying to do with Hitachi. Now, Hitachi also uses smart manufacturing, so they're using this platform Lumada, and I'll include this in the description, but I found this on Hitachi's website kind of talking about Lumada and what it is, and I won't go through the whole thing. I'm honestly not that great with manufacturing. I understand it, but I've never been in the field, so a lot of this just seems very vague to me, but they go over the 6 different parts of Lumada and what it's trying to do. But basically, you can read this, and I'll read over it real quick. Hitachi has created groundbreaking technology solutions for use in manufacturing, leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced data management. For example, Lumada Video Insights helps manufacturers gain insights into assembly and process improvements, worker health and safety using video, heat-sensitive cameras, and LiDAR analytics. So they're using all different kinds of data, all different kinds of measurements to hopefully increase productivity and efficiency. So I think that's really cool, and we are going to get some words from the CEOs, so definitely stay through to that. But Lumada seems like it's something where it can help Workhorse move further down the line a lot quicker, more efficiently. And this seems pretty important too. At the bottom, Hitachi Capital America will assist in developing a national dealer network, which will hopefully make sales a lot easier. So just having that strong network of buyers so that you don't have to work as hard trying to get contracts. It's just more organic. And then also having good vehicle financing options for dealers and customers, including dealer floor plan programs. So having something set up to finance for your customers so they don't have to pay upfront $50,000, $55,000, maybe they can pay it off over time. That is huge also. And then also having those dealer floor plan programs. So the company itself doesn't have to invest all that money into inventory up front. They can have floor plans and, pay off a little bit at a time or however that's set up, but they don't have to set out millions of dollars just to get the vehicles. So that is huge. I think that's really important. The CEO, Dwayne Hughes, so the CEO of Workhorse, comments, "The alliance with Hitachi comes at an ideal time for Workhorse as we value their best-in-class innovation and experience in ramping up production and enabling us to provide a complete solution to our customers. With Hitachi's innovative and invaluable expertise in EV technology, smart factory automation, and digital technologies, Workhorse is primed to build on our early leadership position as the only last-mile EV distributor selling vehicles for commercial use across the country. In addition, we believe Hitachi can help the company drive customer orders as a well-known and respected player in the commercial leasing and financing industry. We're looking forward to benefiting from their expertise." So obviously the CEO is excited about this partnership. We also hear from the chief executive over at Hitachi, Global Social Innovation and Business Chairman, Hitachi America. "We are excited to partner with Workhorse to help accelerate the rollout of their EV solutions and meet growing customer demand in North America. Hitachi is uniquely positioned in their growing commercial EV market with a set of innovative technologies and solutions to enable production capacity at scale, a reliable charging network infrastructure, and a digital platform for intelligent vehicle routing and energy optimization. The Workhorse partnership is a strong testament to Hitachi's long-term commitment to social innovation." And they also have someone from the transportation finance at Hitachi Capital America that says, "We are pleased to enter into this multi-year strategic commitment to support increasing Workhorse's channel capacity. We will provide the financial and distribution expertise to bring Workhorse's C-Series delivery vehicles to end users." So this is all great, I think, for the company. They're working with a massive player in this space, so they're going to hopefully be able to help them manufacture a lot more vehicles a lot more efficiently. I think this is awesome. As we know, they need to ramp up production between the USPS contract that hopefully they'll get a piece of, and then just growing as a company outside of that contract too. Being able to strategically align yourself with another major player that hopefully will be able to make you a lot more efficient, I think is really important. So this is something that is awesome to see when you know that they have to scale. Them providing this guidance and making this strategic alliance is going to be huge for them in the future. So let me know your thoughts on this below. I appreciate it. Again, this is really new. This has just happened Monday morning. I think I had seen it that it was only out for 5 minutes, the articles, when I originally read them. So hopefully you got this nice and early on in the day, and hopefully this is the first time you've heard about it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Again, if you want those free stocks, you can get them right in the description below. Thank you for hitting the like button, and let me know what your thoughts are on this. Are you buying more Workhorse? Like I said, I bought some more shares today, but let me know your thoughts. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.